Kani kalong ka khubor sa Chief Minister jong ka jylla Meghalaya. Kin riutli ki panai kala ya hadin bag expert committee kala phah ya ka report sa ka sorkar jylla. Nrai kalong ka basngusi bag sorkar jylla kampat shimla Pynbna paidbah ya kani ka report hadu minta. Wat hadin ba ka party kala ai ka jingtho bonsin ban pen kan mau ba kidai ban Pynbna paidbah no ya kani ka report. Lada ka sorkar kadang yai pinslam party kan haban shim ye ka sen jam ban panlong daga jinge ki paidbah sa shisen pat ha kini ki kindiat singi ba ki kindiat por ki ban wan. This is an open statement to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. 6 months had lapsed since the submission of the report by the expert committee. However, the state government seems not to be willing to make it public till today, despite repeated reminders from the party. Therefore, in this connection, the party would be compelled to resume its agitation if the government failed to announce the report of the expert committee immediately. Thank you.